What's up, guys? Welcome back. Richard Knight Patreon request from Emmanuel. So this guy is the legendary founder of Night City. And I found a meme, a funny meme. It says Night City is named that way because it looks prettier at night, India. And it's like, no, he was assassinated and that's why it's called Night City. So I thought that was funny. So let's draw this guy. I found like a portrait of him, but it's like real blurry. And he looks like he has red eyes. Like, does he have red eyes? Why are his eyes red? Did he, like, not sleep? Let's draw. So we get our best shot. Landscape page. Center point. Here. Come up. And he's kind of like semi three-quarter pose. He's, like, looking that way a little bit. So, again, center, up. Eye is, like, his right eye is, like, on that center line of my page. So we'll go up. Across, kind of down the back. They don't draw eyelashes or anything, but we will because we can. Just thicken it up a bit. And then his tear duct and his eyelid there. And he's kind of like looking over to the left from underneath his eyelash area there. And his pupil. That way. It looks like he has like bags underneath his eyes. Kind of like tired. Right, kind of like that. And then eyebrow. So big old eyebrow. Here. Shaved eyebrow. Interesting choice. So this shaved section of his eyebrow there. And then like he needs an eyelid line. So we'll go just here. Kind of like that. Doesn't he have a scar on his face? He's got all these black dots, like grey bags underneath his eyes and stuff. But can't really make that out. So nose line starts sort of there. We're going to just do the other eye. Similar sort of shape. Going to make it a bit eyelash darker. You can fit an eye in between two eyes, right? So the width of his eye fits in there. And then tear duct. Curving around. Iris and pupil. Half circle again. Like that. And then eyelid lines and like wrinkles and stuff underneath his eyes. Eyebrow starts. Don't think this one's shaved on this side, but I can't really see, so I'm just going to guess it's not. And then we got like eyelid lines. There. And then the bridge of his nose, kind of wide bridge. Tip of the nose sort of comes down towards that side of his nostril, which is just there. And then the other nostril will be here. And then we'll just darken this up inside just to make it look a bit shadowy. And then the skin of his nose. Comes around there. nose on that side, and he has like one of those wide sort of noses here. And then we should see the nostril skin on the other side. It's very blurry though, but we'll go there. Got a wide nose. So it seems to be like a big beard, right? So like real hairy. So just underneath the nose, right, you've got like the starts of this mustache. We'll do that first, right? Like a big old mustache, like coming around here. Right, his mouth then, just underneath the mustache. So you can just see the line for the middle. And then the beard continues around here and up towards like the bottom lip here. So full Santa sort of beard, right? Line there just for his cheeks. Looks like he's a scar on his face here. I'm not sure though. And then this beard, right, is like full beard down to here, right? So it's like real hairy on his chin. So like roughly like eyebrow to nose is about the same as nose to chin, and you have to add a bit more. So like this whole space to like if he shaved where his chin would be, and then there's just another little space down to where the hair is, and then this comes out for his jaw. Which comes out that way. Same on this side. All the way around. Up the side of his face. And then so the beard sort of goes in that way and down into his cheek. And then hairline keeps going up. Now we meet these blue symbols, blue things on the side of his head there. I'll just add some texture, more texture to the beard. And he's got cyberpunk stuff on his beard. So we can just kind of see like his cheekbone and like his brow a bit, and the side of the head goes up that way. And then, so this is like hair here, and his ear comes out this side, and his ear will come out this side. And he has like some lines coming across his forehead. And then ear lines, easiest way, letter J. You can add more detail to that if you want. And his hairline. So your forehead's about the same size as your nose, right? So nose, forehead about the same. So there and there. You put a little V and then you do like a zigzag line just across his whole hairline. And it looks like he has like completely shaved head on the side. Could be wrong about that, but that's how it looks to me. So we'll just go square down that way. Like, he has some blue Cyberpunk stuff here, so I'll just put some dots kind of just to map it out for us. And then the hairline going across, kind of spiking there. Okay, so his hair is like real slick, sort of slicked back, so it goes like curved this way, right? So like some spikes on the side here seems to like curve back the other way then. So texture on all of this then. Going that way. And then he has these blue lines, as I mentioned. So these are just painted in by whoever drew this. But we'll draw some of them maybe. These are all sort of glowing blue. Cyberpunk stuff. When I say cyberpunk stuff, like if you know the show, you'll know what I'm talking about, really. Or the video game. So that's all just like glowing blue there on the side of his head. Ignore that line. Okay. Collar. So shirt collar. Just kind of comes across here, closes over, back around the beard there, neck muscles, and then the shirt itself is kind of open, standard male shirt. Standard until it becomes this circle thing here. And then suit jacket collar. It's unusual, different, futuristic, I guess, coming down that way. And then it's got so black section here that kind of dips down, and then the shoulder. It's got this little black patch there, and then yep, same on this. Like that. Okay. I think that's everything. That is how to draw this guy, Richard Knight. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for the request on Patreon, Emmanuel. Anyone else with like requests of characters I don't normally draw, or you just have requests that you're trying to get to me, I recommend Patreon or a super thanks on YouTube. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.